On Monday in Miami, Florida, the temperature is going to be high at 82 degrees and low at 72 degrees. The humidity is going to be 80%. The air pressure is going to be 30, and the chance of precipitation is going to be 80%. The wind speed is at 5 miles per hour. The wind direction is coming from west, and the cloud cover is going to be mostly cloudy. On Tuesday in Miami, Florida, the highest is going to be 72 degrees, 77 degrees, and 68 degrees. The humidity is going to be 79%, and the air pressure is going to be 40. The chance of precipitation is going to be 50%, and the wind speed is going to be 7 to 16 miles per hour. The wind direction is going to be coming from the east, and the cloud cover is going to be scattered showers. And on Wednesday in Miami, Florida, the high temperature is going to be 71 degrees and low 66 degrees. The humidity is going to be 83%, the air pressure is going to be 50, and the chance of precipitation is going to be 100%, and the wind speed is going to be 20 miles per hour, and the wind direction is coming from the south, and the cloud cover is going to be raining. And the temperature in Miami for Thursday is going to be 76 degrees and 65 degrees, and the humidity is going to be 83, the air pressure is going to be 20, and the chance of precipitation is going to be 100. The wind speed is going to be 20 miles per hour. The wind direction is going to be coming from the north, and the cloud cover is going to be partly cloudy. Okay, you can stop it. Okay, and in Miami, Florida, the temperature is going to be 78 degrees high, and low is going to be 67 degrees. The humidity is going to be 74%, the air pressure is going to be 20, and the chance of precipitation is going to be 80%. The wind speed is going to be at 12 miles per hour, the wind is coming from northeast, and the cloud cover is going to be light. Peru, on Monday, the temperature is going to be high at 80 degrees and low at 68 degrees, and the humidity is going to be 73%, and the air pressure is going to be 20, and the chance of precipitation is going to be 10%, and the wind speed is going to be 5 to 12 miles per hour. Can I stop so you can walk? Wind direction is going to be coming from northeast, and the cloud cover is going to be cloudy. Okay, so in Lima, Peru, on day 3, the temperature is going to be 80 degrees high, and the lowest temperature is going to be 67 degrees. The humidity is going to be 72%, the air pressure is going to be 30, and the chance of precipitation is going to be 10%. The wind speed is going to be 11 miles per hour, the wind direction is coming from the east, and the cloud cover is going to be mostly cloudy. And on day 4 in Peru, the highest temperature is going to be 80 degrees, and the lowest temperature is going to be 60 degrees. The humidity is going to be 72%, the air pressure is going to be 30, the chance of precipitation is going to be 50%, the wind speed is going to be 11 miles per hour, the wind direction is coming from the west, and the cloud cover is going to be mostly cloudy. And on day 5 in Peru, the highest temperature is going to be 80 degrees, and the lowest temperature is going to be 67 degrees. And the humidity is going to be 67. Okay, so in day 4 in Lima, Peru, the highest temperature is going to be 80 degrees, and the low temperature is going to be 67. The humidity is going to be 67%, and the air pressure is going to be 40. The chance of precipitation is going to be 10%. The wind speed is going to be 11 miles per hour. The wind direction is coming from the south, and the cloud cover is cloudy. Tell me where you go.
Go.
Okay, so in Miami, Florida, large global wind systems are created by uneven heating of the Earth's surface. Unequal heating of the Earth's surface also forms large global wind patterns, with trade winds at about 30 degrees north and south of the equator. The warm, moist air that rose vertically cools and begins to sink. Here the sky is clear. There are few clouds and little rainfall. Winds are calm. These are called the horse latitudes because when food ran out, sailors had to throw horses overboard. Prevailing westerlies, some of the cool sinking air continues to move forward to the north and south. These winds are called the westerlies and are located between Lima, Peru. Peru current, also called Humboldt Current, cold water current of the Southeast Pacific Ocean with a width of about 900 kilometers, 550 millimeters. Relative, slow, and shallow. It transports only 350 million It is an eastern boundary, a current similar to the North Pacific. The east wind drift flows east towards South America, south of latitude 40 degrees, and is while most of this continues through the southern tip of South America to the Atlantic. A shallow stream turns north to parallel the continent as far as latitude 4 degrees south, where it turns west to join the Pacific South equatorial current. The Peru current brings fog to the nearby coast, but also helps to keep the coast one of the most intensely arid areas in the world. Yeah.
I'm gonna stop.